Adoras lang Luis, oh. Let's go.
So this Fit Pancit, we're inside New York. New York, Plattsburgh. Because we're just going to... Picture ako kaya.
Oh yeah, the walk! The walk! Hindi kasi ako marunong lumangoy talaga.
Sweet kuya.
Dapat ano, may baon ka pala.
Feeling ko, buo yan. Tapos, gawin kaya nga talaga.
Magkuha lang. Oh, malakas.
And go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Uy, wala na. Wala na. Naiwan na tayo, wala nang ant. Ay, eto. Sa akin yan kapag natapos. Oh, after na, oh. Tapos sabi mo, ibenta for or... Hindi, nung time na nag...
Go. Uy, sa atin kasi, dalawa lang, normal at normal. Ganun lang yung, ano.
The rainbow. Kaya rainbow falls.
Yun. Pag mag-away kami sila, dito na ako talon, isang ano lang.
Kaya naman, di ba? Pwede yun, hydro.
Pirmahan niya muna ang bond paper ko. We're done already! Yeah! Yeah, you guys talk too much! Yeah!
What? Oh my gosh! I can't wait.
Oh, astin yan, anak.
Wait. Hindi ko pa man din swerte now. Kasi sunny.
Tayo sa weather lang. Today lang pala. At least.
Want to take a photo of this? So the trail system is marked with signs and symbols.
Going there.
Okay. Yep. So the green continues, the orange continues, the yellow continues. It's a big loop with several junctions that go end to end. So I would start with the yellow that goes down the stairs into the chasm for some dramatic scenery, coupled with high water today. The yellow ends at the middle of the chasm. There's a directional sign that'll tell you to go up the stairs to the green. The green is on top of you. You'll continue, if you want to do the second half, down across this bridge right here. And then a big loop on orange and green. On orange and, green. Yeah.
Okay.
See what I'm saying? It's a big figure eight loop. You can walk out the entrance, which is that way, or at some point, if you get tired, you can take a shuttle bus. At bus stop 1, near the middle, and at the end, bus stop 2.
All right.
Brings you back to the visitor.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, take photos if you have it. I don't know if you did.
I have it.
My big arm and head was in the way.
Thank you. Would you mean that an adventure to your bag is open yan.
Bahala. Silong eh, silong eh. Takot kayo? Takot ka, hindi? Takot ka?
Huwag ka tingin sa baba.
Yeah. Oh my God! This is
Hi!
Elephant head?
maybe. Yan. What can you say so far? Huh? It's very awesome. Awesome! First time ever I've tried this kind of trail. Okay, let me show you. Spring water. Wow, water for $3.
Wala kong sabi na asawa ko papayat daw ako dito.
Everyday ka ni Bini, tag $17 yung gas.
Sinong naghahanap ng bus?
Sana diretso lang, wala paakyat.
Kaya ba nag-uupad yung iba, no?
Oh, now we're in the green route.
Yun pala yung rafting.
Yes. Guys, we got hungry, so we're eating siopao. Courtesy of Fiesta Filipino.
Sponsored by. Thank you, Fiesta.
Thank you, Fiesta Filipino, sa siopao. Kasi gutom na kami, so we're eating.
Grabe na ito ah.
The best baon. Siopao.
Siopao kayo dyan.
Before going to a trail, you need to go to Fiesta Filipino. Thank you to Duktan for our suptico. Sponsored by Duktan.
Pwede mo bang hawakan lang?
Slowly, babe.
Damian!
Watch your steps. Good job. Cabin in the woods.
Nagkaon ng siopaw in the woods.
Movie mo na, diba? Cabin in the woods. It's a movie.
Depende rin talaga sa tao.
Ang trabaho.
Kaya naman ako,
Yun yung mga rising stars. Oh,
Yan, bagay sa imo ang bag. Enjoy. Isa ka rice cooker imong dalang rice?
Sakto ra sa atong tanan.
ako pa na ibal irunoy ganyan.
Isang kaldero pala yung
Million likes yan.
Million pero
Oh, million hates din, ganun.
And then she
Counted pa rin ako.
kumuha ka din ng mga ayan, yung mga green sa ano, tapos i-post natin. Ikaw talaga yung
Hindi
trending.
mo na siyang tubayan, di siya. Di dagang kay
ngito niya ganyan na siya. Kasi nga ano. Pero ang ano ko kasi kung paano ko ma-fracture, paano pag nadurog ang buka. As in talaga tapos babae din. Serbia.
Damien, do you like the place? Do you like the place? Why? Go with your daddy.
Bayot ka?
Bangon gini nga man. I can do it. I can do it. Go!
Ay, ay, ay. My swimming pad!
Si Damien.
Okay, let's go.
Daniel, why are you crying?
Ate, kuya daw.
You're crying.
Where's my friend? Tell your friends there.
Now you stop crying, huh?
Hi, Nick.
leave trails ako, no touch.
I think you're trying to
Ano sa akong ingon?
tell me about leave nothing but
Footprints.
footprints.
Take nothing but
Take
air.
nothing but memories
Pictures.
and pictures, and then leave nothing. No. Why?
Welcome to New York.
Welcome to New
Chasm. This is weird for seeds.
Sikat. Baliw.
Bayad.
Jeepney?
Hindi ito matanda. Ito na pero umuwi ako na.
Nag-jeep ba siya? Nag-tricycle na ako.
Dito nga, nag-tricycle. Enjoy.
18 pa.
Where's your seatbelt? Oh, Damien knows that. Damien, you know that, right? Like in McDonald's.
Parang ibabalik tayo sa train. Ibalik.
Oh, that's nice. we're leaving Osable Chesaman. May mga yung mga special...
May mga pebbles, yeah.
Pag meron
Pero
siya
yung
nakita
commercial, hindi yan ganyan.
Oo.
Kasi property yan ng
Spike Ball pala yung pangalan niya. Ay, may number doon siya.
Yeah, tawagan ko.
Na ano, sabi na for questions.
Nay nagbayad yun, Bing? Nay nagbayad?
Oo, may nakalagay sa ano eh, sa dashboard yung iba.
Oh.
Pero, sabi ng...
Ang cellphone made in the USA.
I like this place, no? Parang totoo, tunay na kung ano ba.
Tahimik naman kaya.
Kasi
Like
most
6
of that...
months.
Feeling ko si Laplang ba yun? Ay, si Plante ba
Si
yun?
Plant.
Si Plant mahilig
Magba-
Bakit nila just pwede may Bisaya? Sila halos.
Enzo!
Tito Scott, do it again! Oh! Uban ko kay bangihikog ko.
Manghihikog galing. Suso! Babay ka.
Yeah!
Mamaya na.
Ayaw.
Naiiyak ako.
Natatawa ako kapag offer mo yung mukha niya talaga tinignan ko. Canada, US lang yun.
Kaya, dali na.
Ngit.
Kailan kayo start maglipat?
Magas ka.
Pwede na ba yun? O September 1 dapat kayo?
Sa 30 kami. Kayo ng mga Canadians. It's a fun day. It's a fun day. It's a fun day. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.